In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a cash payment to a contractor in QuickBooks Online. Let's walk through this together from start to finish so your books stay accurate and your cash account matches what actually happened in real life. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. To start recording the payment, look for the New button, usually near the top left of the screen. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Expense. This tells QuickBooks that you're about to record money going out of your business. Next, you'll choose who you paid. In the Payee dropdown, select your contractor from the list. If you've already set them up as a vendor or contractor, their name should appear here. If not, you can take a moment to add them so that future payments are easy to track and you have a clear record for tax time. Now it's time to choose where the money actually came from. In the Payment Account dropdown, select your Cash on Hand account. This represents physical cash like money taken from your cash drawer or petty cash box. If you don't see a cash on hand account, you may need to create one in your chart of accounts first, using the cash and cash equivalents type so that your records stay organized. After that, enter the payment date. This should match the day you actually handed the cash to your contractor. You can also fill in a reference number if you have one, such as a receipt number or an internal tracking code. This is optional, but it can be helpful if you need to look up the payment later. Now, scroll down to the Category Details section. In the Category column, choose the correct expense category that fits this payment. Common choices might be something like cost of labor, contractor, or a similar account your business uses to track contractor costs. Then, in the description field, type a brief note about what the payment was for, such as the project or service completed. Clear descriptions make your reports much easier to understand later. Next, enter the payment amount in the Amount field. Double-check that it matches the exact cash you paid out. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the transaction, reduce your cash on hand balance, and recognize the expense under the category you chose.